Hey, what's up, Wonders? Me, it's your boy, Fall Next. And today, this video is actually sponsored by something brand new. It's sponsored by GameStop's Incorporated. Now, as you see, I have a big package here. This is what I usually want. This is T-51 Power Armor helmets. Yes, and this is actually the actual mold helmet itself. Look at it. That's the what it looks like. Now, people say that many people have gotten sick because of the chemicals inside of this helmet. So if you buy this, I really keep it in the box. Hey, Kate. 1 second, bitch. I'll be right back, Wonders, and we'll get started opening this. Alright, Wonders, so I'm back. And the reason why I wasn't filming because I was sick. I had the flu. So anyway, so here's the helmet itself. So it's this costume, fusion power equipment. So I gotta really handle this with real care. But we're gonna open this up. Going to kiss. There. Oh my god. Here, I'll flip the camera. Oh my god, look at this. Isn't that cool? So here's the manual itself. We'll get to that in a second. But let's take a look at this. Oh, I see some back here. Oh, wait, I see some stuff back here. Okay, Wonder, so in this box, this includes the enamel pins. This includes the armor, the power armor helmet itself, which looks really decent, and includes Nuka-Cola. Isn't that awesome? Okay, what else? Wait, what's that right there? Oh, isn't that cool? Look at this, Wonders. It's a Nuka-Cola blaster. It's a third zapper. It's like a little keychain. Oh, I have so fun using this. You know, like this, like distinguished metal. Oh yeah. Oh, and also they also gave us batteries with this as well. But I'm gonna keep these in here. Oh, and this. I think this is like a poster or something, Wonders. Well, here, Wonders. I'm gonna place the camera down. Oh my god. Isn't that cool? Look at this, Wonders. It's a Nuka girl. Look at that. It's like a Nuka girl. It's like the back cover of my phone. That's so awesome. Alright, Wonders. That is so fucking cool. So, oh my fucking god. Look at that. It's the fucking helmet. Oh, look at this, Wonders. It's the fucking helmet. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Dude, it's fucking well custom made. Look at this, Wonders. This is so fucking great. Look at this. What's inside? There's shit in here. Fucking gel packets. So it's extra. Bro, it literally just fits my head. It's so fucking cool. Like, look at this, Wonders. This is great. The Nuka-Cola helmet. I just wanted this right now. Now I got one. Oh, here's the manual sheet of it. So it says here that it's basically contained with 3 small AAA batteries, which we have, and you have to place inside a mouthpiece. And they're rechargeable batteries. They're not rechargeable batteries. So this manual, this is actually reserved by West Tech. So this is actually the mold helmet itself, actually. But this is actually from Fallout 4. Kind of imagine from 76. But I think the buttons are here are for like, I think this is like light up. And this is cool, Wonders. But isn't that cool? I always got this fucking helmet, and I just wanted it. Plus the enamel pins and the keychain. Like, isn't that cool? Look at that. These are fucking amazing. So, anyways, I'm actually gonna put him back into the box because he is collectibles, and I don't want to break him. See, like this. So I'm gonna put the gel packets back in here so he can stay fresh. All right. All right. I also got some other stuff I can show you. I want to show you, Wonders. Sorry about that, Wonders. Oh. Give me a sec, Wonders. But no, Wonders. This is cool. Like, I am not joking. I got this box here. And I've always wanted it. Here. I know where these can go. I have places I can put these at. Come on with me. Come with me. So we could put this right here. Next to Leatherface. Or does this fix you? And we could put him next to here. There we go. This is my favorite one right there, man. What, Zoom? That's small. I just gotta do what I did with the other. There we go. And this, I have like a little thumbtack where I can put him with the others. You're most certainly welcome. Alright, I'm gonna put that box back and I got some other shit to show you guys. I'll see you when I get back. Alright, Wonders, I'm back again. So I have all this stuff here. So I'm gonna get this started with, Wonders. So first I'm gonna start with these pop vinyls. So this one is the excavator armor, and this is a vault dweller. They can move their heads. I can fucking crack them in the fucking head with these, but these are cool, by the way. Now I picked these up at GameStop the other day, and these are like the keychains I have. This is the chemist repair, and we have the barter. It's cool. We have him holding a beaker, him with a wrench, and him holding a bottle cap. Now, I also have this as well. It's a fig pin. It's a new girl. So, I rather leave her in the box because, like, she's collectible. But, see? I'm gonna leave her in the box. Oh, as you guys noticed, I actually made this at school. Look what this reads. I don't know what the other pieces are, but I made Fallout 4 rocks out of these papers. So, like, if you look, and I also have some. I also have one more thing to show you. So I went to Target the other day, right? Sit down. And these little small little boxes here. And he's like, and I actually got a Vault Boy this time. It's him doing that kind of like this. Look at that. That is fucking cool. But anyways, Wonders, just that's it for this video. If you want to see more, hit it below. If you haven't seen that one prank video of me pranking my best friend's phone guy and getting hacked, that's going to be in the link down below. Go check out my boys' Ice Nice channel, Cannon Blogger, my Mental Headquarters, TSC Minecraft tutorials. And trust me, what do you think about that helmet? I'll see Wonders in the next video. Thumbs up for safety. Like a Hellcat.